Handa ang CIDG doon sa kanilang sinampang kaso at ito ay kanilang paninindigan at tayo naman naniniwala na ito ay tatayo sa korte.
The Philippine National Police defends its premier investigative arm on the complaints filed against former PNP Chief General Oscar Albayalde before the Justice Department. In the amended complaint in relation to the 2013 anti-illegal drugs operation in Mexico, Pampanga, the PNP Criminal Investigation and Detection Group says Albayalde is liable in the anomalous operation. The CIDG says being the former Pampanga police chief, instead of probing his men, Albayalde even recommended the 13 police officers, including himself, to be given awards. And he allegedly tried to influence former Central Luzon Police Chief Aaron Aquino and former CIDG Deputy Chief for Operations Rudy Lacadin in matters pertaining to the case through phone calls. All these were exposed during the Senate investigation on Ninja Cops.
Hindi natin masasabi na ito ay minadali. Alalahanin natin na ang naging pagdinig ng Senado ay inabot ng mahigit 2 linggo. At ang CIDG natin ay constantly na nakamonitor sa nangyayari doon sa pagdinig. Kaya nung nagsampa na ng amended complaint ang CIDG.
But for Senate Blue Ribbon Committee Chairperson Richard Gordon and former CIDG Chief Benjamin Magalong are suspicious about quick filing of cases against Albayalde. They say the charges were hurriedly prepared under the leadership of Major General Amador Corpus before he left the CIDG.
I'm just trying to be cautious about it because, as I've said, I suspect that something happened here. There's something to it that meets the eye. Why did General Corpus, before his retirement, before his transfer to another position, immediately filed the case against General Oscar?
The new CIDG has not sat down yet.
Yeah. Actually, that was the question of Mayor Magalong, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sabi niya, kung si General Coronel daw, he'd be more comfortable with it.
Well, hindi sila magkaklase ni Albayalde. Ang kaklase ni Albayalde si General Corpus.
Correct,
And
sir.
General Corpus was the one who demoted after Aquino sat down and said, okay, hindi ko na itutuloy yan, hindi ko na implement yan, nilagay ko sa desk. Pagdating ni General Corpus, magkaklase sila, pinalitan from dismissal to demotion. So they play all kinds of games.
Both Corpus and Albayalde belong to the Philippine Military Academy Sinagtala class of 1986. Sin and Philippines tried to reach Corpus, but he has yet to respond to our inquiries. Despite this, the PNP assures that the complaints filed against Albayalde are backed with evidence that may convince prosecutors to pursue the case in a court. George Cahiles, CNN Philippines.